Here we are, another day in the forest of New Brunswick. Lost for many hours. No food or snacks. The travelers are getting hungrier and hungrier. It is getting dark. The water in the river is dirty. What will we do? Dun dun dun! We continue along the path, covered with roots. Ow! 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 And here we see a little stream, river, creek. The more roots on our path. Ow! 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 We continue on boldly into the woods. Are there any wild animals? Deer, foxes, continuing on. Not much around here, you see. Do you see it? The waterfall. Do you see the waterfall? We are looking for the way out. This path was painted many months ago. Continuing on. There is another piece of paint. Bit of paint. Another tree was painted. It is a sign.